Free breakfast, perfect way to start a long travel day. I just had my free breakfast here in the hostel. Yung pinakita ko. Meron din yung Vegemite kaso lang ayaw ko i-try. Saka na, kasi lalabas ako. Ito, papunta ground floor. Punta ako ngayon sa Blue Mountains for a trip. Anong oras? It's 7:55 AM. So it's my second day here in Australia. I'm going to Blue Mountains. So nandito na ako sa Central Station going to Katoomba. Diyan ako sasakay papuntang Katoomba. Good luck to me. Dapat dyan sa platform 7. Kasi base dito, platform 7. Gamit kayo ng trip live view. Platform 7. So dito, yung platform number 7, pinapakita dyan yung mga pwedeng puntahan ng platform 7. So yan, Katoomba 7, meron dyan eh. So 8:25 yung alis. Sakay na tayo dito. Ito yung train station. So at exactly 8:25, kasi nakalagay dito 8:25 aalis yan. So nung oras na it's 8:60. At 8:25. Punta tayo doon. Wala kasing nakabukas dito. The front four cars of the train on platform 7 goes to wala masyadong katao-tao. Then all stations to Springwood, then all stations to Katoomba, and then all stations to Lithgow. Train station. Kada dito. Waiting pa tayo. It's 8:25. So, dapat paalis na tayo. Pero dapat paalis na dapat. Baba ko ng plane from doon sa Katoomba. Then, sumakay ako sa bus 6 to pay my voucher dun sa Cinema World. Ititin ko yun para at least makakita siya sa mountains. Pero, hindi pa na pumunta doon. So, ito lang sa kanya ko. Hindi ko na nag-videohan yung pagsakay kasi nagpamadali ako. Kuha ko ng ticket. Nakuha ko ng voucher. I have my wrist yung map. I'm planning it to go this first or maybe that one. What's your recommendation? Maybe this one or this one?
I'll probably say Starlight first.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Just look at PC pretty soon.
Okay, thank you. So I'll do first the scenic based on the recommendation because this will be the most busy ride later.
Thank you so much. Sorry, you mind if I just press it?
Taking my first ride on the Sky Cable. As we step into the cabin, it's spacious and modern, with large windows giving us a 360-degree view. The coolest part is the transparent floor. I move closer to the window, and wow, the view of the Blue Mountains is incredible. The valleys and cliffs looks even more amazing up close. Just got off the Sky Cable, and now I'm heading toward the lookout to take in the full view. I can already see the stunning cliffs and lush forests in the distance. Can't wait to get a closer look. Tapos ko na gawin yung scenic skyway. Mas mahirap raw na sakyan yun later since maraming tao. So we'll just continue our walk here. Grabe, ang ganda. If I were you, I'll go here very early. Ayaw yun ng maraming tao. At wala kayong kasama sa picture-picture. Punta kayo dito ng mas maaga. As I'm walking along the mountain path, the view below is absolutely breathtaking. You can see the vast valleys stretching out, with dense forests covering the slopes. The cliffs rise sharply, and the landscape just goes on forever. It's so peaceful and stunning up here. Pupunta kayo sa Australia, I recommend you to go here in Blue Mountains for peaceful mind, para makapag-relax eh. Ito na yung falls. Grabe. Hindi ko na-expect dito sa Blue Mountains yung pagbaba, akyat. Pakit naman dahil nakita ko rin itong falls. Here's a hidden gem in the Blue Mountains. A small but beautiful waterfall. It's such a peaceful spot and the sound of the water is so calming. As I explore more of the Blue Mountains, I can get over how incredible the rock formations are. Layers of rock tell a story of millions of years. Natin yung Scenic Skyway, then next na natin yung Scenic Railway. Yeah. Now it's time to try the Scenic Railway, one of the steepest passenger railways in the world. I'm excited to experience the thrill as we head down into the Just finished the Scenic Railway, and wow, what an experience. The ride was so much steeper than I imagined. Now that we're in the heart of the Jamaican Valley, the views are just unreal. Surrounded by towering cliffs and lush rainforests, it feels like we've stepped into another world. The air is fresh and the whole valley has this peaceful, almost magical vibe. Grabe no, parang dito sa Blue Mountains, may mga parts talaga na hindi siya crowded. Parang katulad dito, wala masyadong naglalakad. Pasulput-sulput lang, minsan meron, minsan wala. Parang dito solo ko lang. Talagang puntahan nyo to kasi parang pang-relax lang rin. Pero nakakapagod lang, ang daming lakad. Ang daming akyat, ang daming baba. Pero exercise na din. Hindi ko lang alam kung tama po ba ito. Kasi parang ako lang yung nandito. Ayun, sana lang. Sundan na lang yung way dito. Tawa lang. Thank you rin nakapagay akong phone. Just finished exploring the rainforest and it was absolutely beautiful. Now I'm here a bit early, waiting for the Scenic Railway to take me back up. I'm excited to see the valley from above. Just finished the Scenic Railway. The ride was intense and the views from the top are incredible.
Hindi na ako serious. Sabi ko sana yung pagkuha. Kasi lang, hindi ko abot. Paano ko iaabot? Hindi ko abot. Hirap.
Tapos na ako dito sa Blue Mountains. Maaga ako natapos, like 2:26. Babalik na ulit ako papuntang Central Sydney. Para i-check ko kung ano yung pwede pang gawin. Kakain na ako ng lunch doon. Tapos kapag may time, papunta ako sa Bondi Beach. Maaga akong natapos yung mga 2:27. Nag-antay pa ako ng bus. Hindi ko alam kung tama to. Pero nandito yung bus 686. So sana tama to. Nakalagay naman kasi 686. So sana tama nga. 2:57 yung dating. Eh, it's 2:42. Matagal-tagal pa. So, check ko kung tama. Sana tama. Kasi nakalagay dito shuttle eh. Sana nga tama. Pero hindi ko lang bakit meron doon, meron din dito. Anong difference dun mo? Nakasakay na ako ng bus 686G. Magpunta ang station. Para bumalik sa city. Kala ko lang darating. Buti na lang naman. So, tama lang. Kala ko kasi tapos na, pero hindi pa pala. Kala ko na napuntahan ko na, pero ayan, buti na lang nag-stop dyan yung bus. The Three Sisters are iconic rock formations in the Blue Mountains, created according to a local legend. Grabe. Tapos ako dito sa Three Sisters, at least napuntahan ko. Nakakapagod lang kasi try ko pa maglakad dun sa pinakababa. Pero alam ko na puntahan ko na yun. So, it's very tiring. Exercise na din. Yan. Biglang exercise ang sa di oras. Nakapagod. Grabe. Sa tingin ko na maximize ko naman na rin yung oras ko dito sa Blue Mountain. Kota na ako. Pero okay siya. Kung gusto nyo mag-exercise na punta kayo dito. Okay na din. At least, di ba? Experience ko na naka-try ako dyan. So, sige, hanapin ko ulit yung bus 686. Pasakay na ako ng train ng Kabuta papuntang CBD. It takes me 2 hours and 30 minutes like that. So, yun. Malis na rin ako sa gabi na rin. Talagang full day siya kasi ang daming nakaraan. Pero worth it naman. Recommended talaga for everyone who's visiting Sydney. Nakarating na ako sa Central. I need to go out here dito. So, ito lang itatap ko. Ganun lang. Ngayon, need ko maghanap ng para sa dinner. So, check ko lang pala kung saan ako bibili. Nandito ako sa may Kojak Malaysian Grill. So, tatry ko tong restaurant na to for my dinner. Kasi nga, ako rin makita kung ano yung best food nila dito sa Kojak. Ano masarap siya. Check ko lang. Dito tayo sa loob. I ordered this Tetarik. It's a rich, frothy milk tea with a perfect balance of sweetness and tea. Trying Hojak's Indomie Goreng, a stir-fried noodles with bold flavors, fresh veggies, tender meat, and a fried egg on top. Solo dinner at Hojak, and the dish is everything. Spicy, savory, and absolutely delicious. I see why it's their top seller. Thank you. I'm done. Oh, grabe, umaambon. Umaambon pa. So, kakatapos ko lang. Nasa 53.85 yung kinain ko. Equal to 2,000 pesos. Okay naman. Worth it, masarap siya. Mahal, pero minsan lang naman na gumastos ng gano'n. So, yun lang. So, punta na ako sa hotel ko para makapag at saka dun nakapag-internet para makasave. So, sige, punta na ako.